Hello everyone, this is exercise 5.3, question number 3, 8th sub question. They have given us nth term, they have given us common difference and sum of n terms. We need to find out n and the first term, right? As they have given us nth term, I'll write down here nth term which is equal to 4. We know the formula. According to that, here we'll substitute the values. First term is unknown, n that is also unknown, value of d is 2 here, equal to 4. So a plus, to this bracket I'll multiply with 2, so we'll get 2n minus 2 which is equal to 4. So here a plus 2n, this minus 2 will go that side, it will become 6. So a which is equal to 6 minus 2n, I will name it as 1. As we are having sum of n numbers, so sum of n numbers which is equal to minus 14 here. Now as we know value of a and they have given us the nth term, I will use the second formula n by 2. Here a plus nth term which is equal to minus 14. Even if you will use the first formula, still you will get the answer. So here first term is already written in equation 1, that is 6 minus 2n plus nth term which is equal to 4. So this is 4 equal to minus 14. So n by 2 as it is in the bracket, this is 10 minus 2n which is equal to minus 14. Okay, we can take 2 common from the bracket. So n by 2 into 2 in the bracket, 5 minus n is left which is equal to minus 14. This 2 and 2 got cancelled. We'll multiply the bracket with n. So 5 into n is 5n minus n square which is equal to minus 14. We can bring that minus 14 this side. So it will become plus 14 which is equal to 0. Now we can change the sign of every term. Both the sides we can change the sign. So our equation will become little more simplified. So here this I will make plus, this one is minus and this one is also minus. See, correct? N square minus 5n minus 14. Now the product is minus 14 and sum is minus 5. I need to find out two numbers. So which are those two numbers then? 7 2s are, but it should be 7 is minus and 2 is plus. So the sum of these two numbers is minus 5 and product of these two numbers is minus 14. Correct? Why we are doing it? Because it's a quadratic equation. We'll split the middle term and we'll do it. So n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 which is equal to 0. Correct? Here from the first two terms we'll take n common. So n minus 7. From the next two terms we'll take 2 common. So here n minus 7 once again which is equal to 0. And finally we are getting the factors as n plus 2 into n minus 7 which is equal to 0 here. So n plus 2 which is equal to 0 or n minus 7 which is equal to 0. So n which is equal to minus 2 and here n which is equal to 7. Right? This one here, this value is not valid. Why? Because it is not the natural number. So I cannot take n is equal to minus 2. Right? So what I need to take? N is equal to 7. I got the value of n. Now what I need to find out? I need to find out a. So I will substitute this value of n in equation 1. Here I'll write down, substitute n in equation 1. Our equation 1 is a which is equal to 6 minus 2n. So which is equal to here 6 minus 2 into 7. It will come as 6 minus 14 which is equal to minus 8. So value of A is minus 8. Right? Let us see the next sum now. Here they have given us value of A, number of terms, sum of n numbers. Here, this is sum of n numbers, which is equal to 192. We need to find out the common difference. Okay, so here I will use the formula of sum of n numbers. The sum of n numbers, which is equal to 192 here. So n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 192. Let us substitute the values here. N they have given us 8. 8 by 2. 2 value of a is 3. Here 8 minus 1 will become 7. Value of d we don't know, which is equal to 192. So let us do it. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 4 which is multiplying, it will go that side to divide. So here 6 plus 7d, which is equal to 192 by 4. So here 4 ones are, 4 fours are 16. So 3 is left, 4 eights are 32. This 6 which is plus this side, it will go that side to get subtracted. So 7d, which is equal to 48 minus 6. Here 7d, which is equal to 42. So d, which is equal to 42 by 7. 7 ones are and 7 6 are. Correct? In this way, we are getting the value of d. Therefore, common difference, which is equal to 6. Let us see the next one now. Here the last term is given. Even sum of n terms are given, and they are saying there are total 9 terms. That means n. This value is n is given. So we need to find out a. See here. First term is given. Oh, sorry, not first term. Last term is given. Sum of n terms is given. We just have to find out a. So I will use the second formula for sum of n terms. So here I am writing sum of n terms, which is equal to 144. Here n is not given, but consider that is n. Okay. Here n by 2 in the bracket first term plus the last term, which is equal to 144. They said total number of terms are 9, so it is 9 by 2. First term we don't know, last term we know, which is 28, which is equal to 144. This 9 by 2 I can send that side. So a plus 28, which is equal to 144 into 2 divided by 9. Correct? So we can divide this number by 9. 9 ones are 9, 5 is left, 9 6 are. Correct? 54. So here a plus 28, which is equal to 16 twos are 32. So 28 will go that side. So a, which is equal to 32 minus 28, value of a comes as 4. Correct? And they asked us only to find out the first term. So we have done it. I hope all the 3 sums, all of you have understood. Thank you.